Okay, welcome back. So what do we have here? Just so you know, we were well from what where I stopped really was we had one JSON file, two JSON file, three JSON file from three different consultants, and would like to move one JSON file, this JSON file, this one, and this one. Would like to put them into our Dynamics 365 Dataverse environment. Now, also what you see here, these three different files, they are all here in this particular folder because this is bulk data. We're going to be using the bulk data tab, and we're using the manual file ingestion. We've selected the table, we've selected the environment. All I need to do now is to highlight as many as you like files, JSON files, and drag it and just drop it on file, choose files button there. Now you can see it is saying we have dragged three files. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and you can see the three files below here, and it's saying they are ready to be ingested. All I need to do now is just click this button, and we hope that these three files will be appended into this particular table. All right, so I'm going to click this button now. So now it's running its operation. Is trying to get the different files into this particular table. As you can see, it's done it. It brought what it has done. It has given us pure statistics of what it has done. It's saying the first file 10 successful, the second file was 10, and it is kind of the other way around. The first file, project 1, 10 files, 10 files, 10. You can also open the data. Let's say project 1, we can open it. I think it's below here. This is project 1. Where is project 1? This project 1, as you can see, no, that's not project 1. We can close all this one down now. Let's close all this. So project 1, let's open project 1 here. That's the name, project 1. We can count the number of, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5. Let's go down. There's 6, there's 7, there's 8, there's 9, and there's 10. 10 different records. It got it clear. So where is the data here? We can see our old files, but where are the new ones? I'm expecting to see 30 new records, 1, 2, 3. In addition to all this, all you need to do is to refresh, and there we go. Look at all our records there, all nice and simple. And this is how easy you can bring in bulk data using the manual file ingestion in our new application. So this, what we've just done now, just to recap what we've done, we've met this particular project case 1. And this is getting different files from our three consultants here. Our wonderful staff has done it, has ingested it into an existing table called project budget. As you can see, this is the data here. So what can you do with this data once it's there? You can use our other tabs to do different things. Go and watch our other videos, and you see what you can use other tabs to do to run more analysis on it. So this wraps up this case study 1. The next bit, I'm going to go to the next case study. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.